Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So if you don't know, the Sephora Spring VIB sale is happening right now. Like, it has been going on for about a week now. Today is Thursday, April 15th. I think it's going to next Friday. I'm not 100% sure, but I will have all of the details down in the description for you. You know your girl already went, this bag is gonna rip, and did some serious damage. So therefore, I have a lot of thoughts about some of the things that I bought already, some things I'm probably returning. So I have a lot to say to you guys. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and let's jump into this Sephora haul. First thing, last Friday, like once the sale started, I was like to my boyfriend, I'm gonna be at the mall, I'm going to Sephora, I have a few things I need to buy or want to buy. So yeah, I went, and then I did some ordering over the weekend, and I just got it in the mail. So there's a few things in here. I already did somewhat of a haul on TikTok with what I originally got, but if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, make sure that you follow me, by the way, at Danielle Blends. But if you don't follow me on TikTok, then you guys haven't seen, so I'm so excited to share with you what I got. So the first thing I got is from the INKEYLIST. This is the FULVIC Acid Brightening Cleanser. I really do enjoy the INKEYLIST like a lot. It's one of my favorite skincare brands, and this says it helps for brightening the skin and gently removing makeup. So I was like, a cleanser that is also made to remove makeup, so I don't have to use a balm. Like, that's cool. Like, it's always good to double cleanse, but I wanted to like put this to the test and see if it was able to cleanse my skin and remove makeup, and it passed the test. I use this every single night since I've had it. I've had it for almost a week now, and I really like it. It's not rough on the skin. It's a really nice like creamy formula, and it breaks down all of your makeup. Like, when I look at my skin after I wash it, I'm like, wow, there's nothing left on my skin. So that is amazing. It is always good to double cleanse. Like, if you are wearing like a lot of makeup, you definitely want to like use a cleansing balm and then go in with something like this, or with your regular cleanser. But if you're just wearing like moisturizers and like some concealer and some skin tints, I think you'll be okay with just using one. But you know, to each their own. But yeah, I really like this cleanser, not only because it breaks down all of my makeup, but because of how it's so gentle on my skin, and I just really appreciate that. I haven't seen any brightening to my skin, so I don't know if it's brightening, but I've only been using it for about a week. But yeah, so it was like 10 bucks, and so far, so good. I had a restock on the best toner to ever exist, the BELIF Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. I just spoke about this in my favorites video. I have been using this for, I feel like, on and off for a few years, but really consistently for about a year now. And yeah, I love it. It's my favorite toner. I love a good hydrating like toner. I don't like for my skin to feel stripped and drying, so I use this all the time, morning and night, right before I put on my serums and my moisturizers. And trust me, it makes such a difference, and it usually lasts me about 6 to 8 months, so you definitely get your money's worth with this guy. So I bought this next product because I was on TikTok and I saw Skincare by Hiram do like a ad about it and like a review or whatever, and I was like, okay, exit the app, go on Sephora, picked it up. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. It is for barrier rescue and redness relief. Yeah, I don't get really red skin, but this is also a niacinamide cream, or not cream, what is this, a serum? I'm like, what am I trying to say? Okay, on the back it says reduce visible redness and support a healthy looking moisture barrier with this ultra smoothing serum. This comforting milky formula harnesses nourishing avocado oil and butter and a blend of 5 identical ceramides to improve skin's resiliency by supporting the moisture barrier and preventing water loss, combined with soothing, I don't know what that is, and rice milk. And this serum hydrates and targets irritation and redness from dehydration to keep skin soothed and balanced. And I'm pretty sure it has niacinamide in it, but I'm not sure. And these ingredients are making my eyes hurt, so I can't like read them. But yeah, anyways, I bought this because of Skincare by Hiram. I used it for the first time last night, so I don't have thoughts for you guys just yet, but I do have thoughts on the packaging. And I mean, I think we can all collectively agree that Glow Recipe always has the most adorable packaging. So yeah, I don't know, I'm trying it out, seeing what I think about it, and I'll let you guys know. So I'm gonna get into the product that like I'm most disappointed about, because I was really excited for this product, and no, this is not it. This is the OLAPLEX number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So this is like brand new. I think it came out last week or maybe 2 weeks ago, but it's literally brand new. And I love OLAPLEX products. I really like their shampoo. I like their leave-in bonding thing. My sister loves like all their products, their before shampooing treatment, their conditioner, like she loves everything. And I like their shampoo and their bonding leave-in, whatever. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, like my hair is pretty like not super damaged, but it's pretty damaged because of my hair trauma that I went through like a few months ago. So I definitely have to make sure that I keep my hair like hydrated and use like a lot of like repairing conditioners and stuff like that. So I was like, this is gonna be perfect. Great. No, my hair can get weighed down really, really easily. So for that, I don't put a lot of like leave-in products. I'll just do like a little bit of detangler and then some anti-frizz, and like that's it. I will not overdo it. And since I've used this the past 2 times, my hair has been so weighed down and it looks so frizzy and dry and it looks just awful. So I'm going to the mall after this video and returning it because I'm so disappointed. And then I was reading the reviews and a lot of people were saying like, oh, I have thin, fine hair and this works great on my hair. Like, no, my hair was not able to hold a curl. The only reason it's holding somewhat of a curl right now is because it's like 3 days old and desperately needs to be washed. But other than that, it has not been able to hold a curl in like almost a week since I've used it, because I used it once and then I was like, okay, my hair is weird, let me try it again. Use it again with like different shampoo and stuff, and no, it was just not it for me. So I will be returning this. I don't recommend it to people that have thin, fine hair. Let me know if you guys have tried it or if you're going to, but it's a no for me. So up next, I actually just did a video on this and it's what I'm wearing on my face right now. This is the Fenty Skin Tint Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint thing that just came out. So I love Fenty Beauty, so I of course had to pick mine up. I of course picked it up in the wrong shade. I picked it up in shade 10, when I probably should have picked it up in like shade 5 because this is way too dark for me. But this is what the packaging looks like, and you guys will probably see this video before that video goes up, but it will be up very, very soon, and I will let you guys know all of my thoughts on it, so stay tuned for that video. This is another product from Fenty. I have been wanting to try these for like since they came out like a year ago. This is the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush. I love Fenty Beauty, like I said before, and oh my god, I almost just dropped this on the floor. My heart stopped. I would have been so sad. Okay, I got mine in the shade Petal Popping, and I'm so happy that I got this shade because it's what I'm wearing on my face right now. For whatever reason, the camera is not really picking it up that good, but this is what it looks like. Just a really beautiful corally color, and I think this is like perfect for spring. So I'm really, really happy that I purchased it. I love it so far. So good. But yeah, so I'm really happy about this. So up next is another repurchase. I always buy the travel size of this and never the full size, but I said screw it, I'm gonna splurge. This is another product from BELIF. This is the BELIF Moisturizing Eye Balm. I love this eye cream. It's like the only one that I use, and I always cheap out on buying the full size, but this time I was like, no, let me buy the full size, let me just do it. So this is what it looks like. I love it so much. It gives me such a nice, beautiful, like moisturized under eye. Really, it doesn't like brighten that much, but it just makes my under eyes look so smooth and plumped and hydrated, and I love it. So I'm so happy that I finally was like not cheap and got the full size. So up next is another disappointing product. I bought this because I have seen everybody talk about how good this concealer is, how much they love it. It's so good, it's so full coverage, it's so creamy. No. This is the Hourglass Vanish, what is this? Airbrush concealer. I got the travel sizes, like thank god I got the small sizes. I got 2 shades. I got the shade Cream and Cotton, and I've worn it about 3 times and I've tried to make it work. No matter what I do, it just like separates on me. I don't know what it is. I've baked with it, I haven't baked with it, I've set it with like loosening powder, pressed powder, I set it like a million different ways and it just does not work for me. Like, I don't know what it is. Is it me? Is it the concealer? I'm betting it's the concealer because I have my Dior one on right now and my under eyes look flawless. So yeah, I'm really upset about this because I was really, really excited about it, but it didn't work for me. So, alright, so up next is another restock. I wanted the full size of this, but they didn't have it. This is the Charlotte Hollywood Flawless Filter. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know that I love this. This is just pretty much like good for a no makeup day. It's good to use as liquid highlight. It's good to use as a primer. I love it. I use it so many different ways. I even use it as like a cream shadow from time to time. I love it. I think it's great. So I had to repurchase it. Really sad they didn't have the full size, but it's fine. Next are two products from Olaplex. Perfect, right? No, I'm just kidding. I actually like these ones. This is the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and the number 6 Bond Smoother. Like I said before, I do like these two products from Olaplex, so I wanted to pick up bigger sizes because right now I only have the travel size one, so I wanted to pick up bigger sizes for, you know, just everyday use, so I'm happy about that. And then this is another restock. This is the the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer in shade 1N. It's the concealer I'm wearing underneath my eyes right now. I have been like raving about this concealer for about a year now, and I love it so. Oh my god, it literally is not a video without me throwing or dropping something. I said this in the video I filmed before because I dropped the skin tint and I just dropped my brand new concealer. I'm always dropping something. Anyway, so yeah, I restocked on this because I use this concealer so much and I'm actually running out of it, so I needed to pick up a backup because lately it's been one of the only concealers that's been able to hold me down. Up next is another restock. I'm actually surprised I was able to get my hands on this because it was sold out, and then when I went to purchase it, it was actually in stock. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand in the shade Fair Medium. This has been my go-to contour for over a year now, and I'm running out of my original one. It's the contour that I used today, and as you can see, it just looks just beautiful, and like I love it so much, so I had to pick it up, especially since it was 20% off, so love that. And then the last product, this I was sad because it didn't have the full size on Sephora, well at least not that I saw, but I had like a little sample size of this perfume, and then I sprayed it the other day and I was like, wow, why haven't I purchased this perfume before? So I of course went on the app and purchased it. This is the Valentino VOCE Viva, I don't know, whatever. But I want to show you guys the packaging because it's so cute. I had to get the travel size because like I said, they didn't have the full size. But look at this packaging. Like it's a rubberized, texturized, like little case for it. And I really appreciate that. Oh my god, this just smells like a woman to me. Like this is like I'm a CEO of a makeup company. Like I own my own brand. Like that's the vibe that like I'm getting from this perfume. And I am not mad about it. So yeah, I purchased the little travel size because they didn't have the full size, but I love this perfume. If you like maturer like scents, I think you will really like this perfume. So guys, so that completes the Sephora Spring Sale VIB sale haul. I know I had a lot of stuff in this video, so I do apologize, but yeah, I wanted to share with you guys everything that I got. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys are purchasing during this haul. If you guys, during the sale, and if you guys have already purchased stuff, let me know down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.